Oh my god, so early, so long queue. Another signature dish, which is the grilled squid.
What is it like visiting the trending places in Bangkok?
Good morning! It's day 2. It's shopping day, and it's what day?
Your birthday!
Yeah, my birthday, and we're gonna go to the town area. We're gonna eat and shop.
But before that, let me do a quick room tour.
So this is the room. They gave us a complimentary upgrade. The birthday cake which we have finished eating. This is the card. Birthday deco. Such an effort. All these are made of leaves. Thank you, Centara Grand. Spacious and homely bathroom. Only thing is that while I was figuring out how to do my night soak today, I realized the ceiling is leaking. This is the Asia #1 coffee. Asia #1 coffee. So let's see if it's good. Okay, but we didn't queue very long. We queued like what? Less than 15 minutes.
10 minutes.
Because we saw like a capsule version of this, so we want to try whether it wins his Nespresso. Does it win your Cape Town? Win your Cape Town? Not very strong.
Not acidic.
Not acidic. So after tasting, we decided to buy the capsules. Our Nespresso capsule also almost finished, so you can drink this. This is actually dark roast, but it's less acidic. This is actually medium roast. It's their recommended capsule, and this is slightly to the sweeter side. This is Honolulu. This is the cold brew. We had everything the basic way. So this is dirty latte. Let's try it. It's very strong. It's like my dad would love this kind of thing. Okay, that is super strong, right? Yeah, dirty latte is super strong. This one is my mom kind of thing. It's like sweet, gentle hints of like hojicha tea, because their milk base is from hojicha.
The mess.
And the mess. The mess is created by him.
Right.
For lunch, we're getting the Thong Smith boat noodles.
This is beef, and this is pork, and I'm recently addicted to their Wasun plum. Pair it with any soda, is gosh damn good. This is like one chili, yours is double chili. Oh, the soup is good. Your one spicy or not? Try. It means one chili just nice if you don't like spicy. Not very spicy lah. No. No wonder it's famous. It's good. Like a safe option for boat noodles.
And for my birthday dinner, we're heading to the Michelin restaurant Lei Lao.
Corn salad with salted egg. This is like a sour rich, slightly spicy kind of salad. It's good for appetizer. Pad Thai with fried pork lard. I think it's better to eat it with some chili powder and some peanut flakes, and then with at least one pork lard, fried pork lard. Wow. Damn good. Crab meat fried rice. Definitely must order. It's a must, guys. It's a must. No wonder. This is like part of their signature dish. Another signature dish, which is the grilled squid. Supposed to eat like that?
Yes.
Not the whole thing put in your mouth? Really? Whoa, we're supposed to eat like that. Is that for me? Ooh, that's for me. Thank you, Lao Kong Kong. And our last dish is this somtam fish soup. Ooh. Anyone who loves sour will love this, man. The coconut ice cream on its own, it's good enough, man. Smooth, very fragrant. We cleared all our plates, we cleared all our dishes. So my verdict is that Leilao definitely deserves their Michelin. And my favorite, I'm contemplating between the crab fried rice and the squid. What's your favorite?
Sweet.
Your favorite is the squid, okay. I'm contemplating, and they were so sweet. They figured it was my birthday, and then they gave us the free dessert. Okay, final day, and we're at Chatuchak. We're a bit early today, so a lot of the shops are not even open. Let's go get a coffee place first, and then we'll start the day before our flight. So the cute thing about this coffee is that it comes in like a beer tin. Mine is an iced latte. It has strong coffee taste. So if you're someone who loves your coffee strong, this is the place you can come to. The only problem is that it has outdoor seatings and it's really hot in Bangkok. I've been wanting to try momotata. Let's see if it's good. Presentation wise, it's good lah, huh? You see? This is pistachio. This is chocolate lava. It's good. No, I'm just so out yesterday. Huh? The cream is very light. The pistachio is very fragrant. The pastry is very crispy. The pastry gives me the feeling of #Beast pastry. Let's try the chocolate lava. For some reason, the chocolate lava is not oozing. It's not lava-ing. If I have to choose, then I will choose the pistachio. We stumbled upon this by random. This is dark roast, no sugar. It's way better than chatramu, you know? Good find, curry.
On my next video, I'll share with you the shopping goodies that I've got from Bangkok. Till the next one!